The Karnataka government has decided to convene a joint session of the state legislature from the 22nd of January to 31st of January, amidst growing political tension over the centre's decision to repeal the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2025. The Congress-led government had initially planned a special session to discuss the repeal of the Rural Employment Scheme, which has now been replaced by the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Jivika Mission. However, the government clarified that a joint session is being held due to constitutional requirements, citing Article 176, which mandates the governor's address to the legislature. The opposition has strongly criticized the move, calling it a waste of public money and alleging political motives behind the session. BJP leaders questioned the purpose of the assembly, claiming it serves no legislative value. The decision has further sharpened the political divide in Karnataka over rural employment and governance priorities.